Alright, we're getting some wind. This is an alt-hold mode. Keeps moving away from me, so I'm dragging the trim setting towards me. Here's some wind. We've got some wind now. Still moving to the left. Some wind, you got some wind. Oh, hang on. Reducing some height, there you go. Right, I'm now on extreme right with my trim settings. I can't go any further on my radio controller to the right. This is extreme. Keeps moving away from me, so I'm altering the trim settings. Okay, this is moving to the left and away, so I'm altering my trim settings. There's a gust of wind that just happened, that just blew, and that's probably why it moved quite dramatically to the left. Okay, this is alt-hold. I'm going to put it in brake mode and see what happens. This is brake mode. Okay, once again, brake mode is proving that it is... When in brake mode, this thing is very stable. It holds position pretty well. Not great, but it's holding pretty well. Right, we'll go into GPS mode. This is pause hold mode. Now, this is pause hold mode. Pause hold. And it's moving away from me. So I'm going to bring it back. This is pause hold mode. Pause hold mode moves away from me. So it's not very good. Pause hold, not very good. Oh, look at that. Yeah, pause hold is not good at all. This is alt hold mode now. I've just made the switch. Got a bit of wind now. You can see the tether below. You can actually see if it's windy or not. So that gives you an idea of how windy it is. I think I've nailed it. I think the trim, I've nailed the trim. Right, so the trim setting going back and forth towards me, I think we've got it. But the left and right trim is not good. Yeah, the problem is on the left and right trim settings. That's what we're struggling with. See how it drifts? It's constantly drifting to the left. Right, it's constantly drifting to the right, sorry. Sorry, to the left. And I'm having to put a lot of inputs. I'm having to giving a lot of inputs to make sure it doesn't keep going left. brake. And we're going to land this now. So we're landing it. Okay, so trim settings. Trim settings are a problem. I think we've got it as good as we can going away from me and towards me, but the problem is when we are moving left and right. We need more trim going right, so we'll see what we can do. Okay.